Good. We're ready.
We got the dog sipping some water.
So you said this, and who else didn't? Okay. No, Kyle, sorry, no teams available, man. Everybody's sold. No problem, man. Thanks for checking.
That's not mine. Never played that LCS. Never played that LCS. I just took a couple sips to make Maverick mad.
What a nice guy. I think I have a concession stand this week. One day.
You work at the concession stand? Dad, you're
Wednesday.
gonna work at the concession stand for a day? The 18th of May.
All right, guys, so we'll get started in a couple minutes. I will go through a roll call and as explanation for what we're breaking tonight. Tonight, we have a couple different types of the Absolute Football. It's all 2021. We have 2 hangers. We have 2 blasters, and we have 1 mega box. And the mega box should have a mem card and an autograph, hopefully. So that's per box on average. And of course, we're searching for Kaboom cards. That'd be sweet if we could hit one. We've been on a cold streak with Kabooms lately, so we're due. All right, so Boyd has the Bills and the Cardinals. Cole has the Colts. Eric has the Niners, Bengals, Chargers, Cowboys, Giants, Jags, Jets, Lions, Packers, Patriots, Rams, Redskins, Seahawks, and Titans. So thank you, Eric. Appreciate that. Jeremy has the Texans. Joe has the... Jeremy has the Texans. Josh has the Steelers. Paul has Browns, Falcons, Panthers, Raiders, Ravens, and Saints. Peter has the Chiefs, Dolphins, and Vikings. And Sonia has the Bears, and Steven has the Bucks. So without any further ado, I guess we'll get ripping. We'll go hanger, blaster, and then we'll finish up on the mega box. If I can actually cut this. Good luck, everybody. Dude, look what I did, man. So, I got the wrapper off except where I needed it off. Gosh. Wrapper fail. About to use my teeth. All right. All right. Hanger box number 1, DJ Moore, Derrick Henry, Brandon Cooks, J.J. Watt, Darren Waller, Hunter Henry, Justin Herbert, Lamar Jackson, DeAndre Hopkins, Joey Bosa, Hollywood Brown, Sam Darnold, Justin Jefferson, Saquon, Will Fuller, Stephon Diggs, Big Ben, Philip Lindsay, Jonathan Taylor, Derek Carr, Cam Newton, CeeDee Lamb, and our blue parallels, we have David Montgomery, Deebo Samuel. Are they trading him?
Apparently he wants to be.
Has he asked out?
Yeah.
Man,
apparently.
why? What is wrong with him? Teddy Bridgewater, he was like the whole offense. Our rookies, we have, this is a rookie blue. We have Kelvin Joseph and Marquez Stevenson on the blue parallel rookies. And the rest of the box. Dalvin Cook, red zone. Justin Jefferson, stargazing. Frank Gore, unsung hero. Patrick Surtain, rookie. There we go. T-Law with the bent corner. Man, that's crazy. So how does he get a ding corner in the middle of this box? See that? Hopefully we'll see another one. Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, Trey Lance. 2 quarterbacks in the same box. Dwayne Eskridge, Eric Stokes, Kene Nwangwu, Jared Dokes, J.C. Horn. Ian Book, Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones. Forgot how many rookies are in these things. Asante Samuel, Ramondre Stevenson, Kylan Hill, De'Ami Brown, Trey McKitty, Kenneth Gainwell, and Sage Surratt. Rounding us out in box number 1. All right, let's do one of these blasters. Maybe I can actually open the box this time. Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, Trey Lance times 2 already, Joseph Osai, Quentin Nelson, T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, and Aaron Jones. Got a mem card in here. Christian Barmore, Elijah Moore, and an Elijah Moore patch. That's a rookie force, green patch. Congrats to the Jets. Cool little patch there. DK Metcalf, red zone. Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Philip Lindsay, and Jonathan Taylor. Terrace Marshall, Kelvin Joseph, Marquez Stevenson, Micah Parsons, nice hit there to the Cowboys. Zeke Elliott, green, Joe Burrow, A.J. Brown, and Randall Cobb. Rondale Moore, Hunter Long, Des Fitzpatrick are rookies. Aaron Rodgers, Stargazing. Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, Jonnu Smith, and DK Metcalf. Tutu Atwell, Cornell Powell, Elijah Vera Tucker. There we go. Mac Jones introductions. Nice hit there to the Pats. Nick Bosa, DJ Moore, Derrick Henry, and Brandon Cooks. 3 packs left in the first blaster here. Levi O, Javonte Williams, Seth Williams, Michael Carter, Jared Goff Green, J.J. Watt, Darren Waller, and Hunter Henry. Frank Darby, Caleb Farley, there we go, Zach Wilson, base rookie to the Jets, and a Jalen Waddle by Storm, rookie to the Dolphins. Russ Wilson, Joe Mixon, Mahomes, and TJ Hawkinson. Last pack in blaster number 1. Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah, Daz Newsome, Semi Fehoko, Greg Newsome, a green De'Ami Brown to the Skins, Taysom Hill, David Montgomery, and Debo. All right, let's start our board here. All right, good. Trey Lance up there. T-Law. There we go. All right, let's go to the hanger box. Hanger box number 2. Jonnu Smith, DK Metcalf, T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, Aaron Jones. Nick Bosa, Justin Tucker, Corey Davis, Nick Chubb, Aaron Donald, James Robinson, Terry McLaurin, Josh Allen, Mike Evans, Devontae Parker, Emmanuel Sanders, TJ Watt, Zeke Elliott, Jared Goff, Patrick Peterson, Kenny Galladay, TJ Hawkinson, Randall Cobb, blue, Kyler Murray, blue, and Josh Jacobs, blue. And we got some blue rookies, JOK, Daz Newsome on the blue, Michael Thomas, red zone, Alvin Kamara, stargazing, Cole Beasley, unsung heroes, another Zach Wilson base rookie. So Jets showing up. JOK, Daz Newsome, Simi Fehoko, Greg Newsome, Elijah Molden, Kyle Pitts, there we go. First time we've seen him tonight. Nick Bolton, Terrace Marshall, Kelvin Joseph, Brandon Stevens, Adafi Owa, Najee Harris. Nice hit there to the Steelers. Chuba Hubbard, Joe Tryon, Trey Sermon, Tommy Tremble, Amir Smith-Marset, Jarrett Patterson, and AO to the Falcons. All right, Blaster, Mega. Thank you to everybody that's paid on time and participating tonight. Please like us and follow us on Facebook. We never spam you. All we do is send reminders of what we're breaking, and we send links. You know, we post links to our auctions. And then if we hit something really cool, we'll post a picture of it. So easiest way to keep track of what we're breaking is on Facebook. We got a lot more 2021 football coming up. We got some baseball coming up, and at some point some basketball, I guess. All right. Blaster number 2.
If we have to.
If we have to, right. Greg Rousseau, Devontae Smith to the Eagles, Javon Holland, Davis Mills, and a green Najee Harris. It's a nice card there to the Steelers. Quinnen Williams, Myles Garrett, Travis Kelce. Travis Etienne, Jamar Jefferson, Chauncey Golston, Kwity Paye. Oh, here we go. Got a little numbered prism here. It's Kyle Long. Looks like a blue prism.
But that's a good offensive lineman.
Yeah. Kyle Long numbered out of 99. Number 8 out of 99. How do you like that?
How you like them apples?
A numbered guard. Rolling. Congrats, KC. Jerry Jeudy, Carson Wentz, and Julio Jones. There we go. Justin Fields, Trayvon Moehring, Josh Palmer, Dak Prescott, red zone. Tom Brady, Dak, Kyle Long, and Justin Jefferson. Pete Werner, Jacob Harris, Brandon Stevens, Adafi Owa. Green parallel, Odell Beckham, Saquon Barkley, Will Fuller, and Stephon Diggs. Another Najee Harris. Chuba Hubbard, Joe Tryon, Justin Herbert, Stargazing, Big Ben, Drew Lock, Jalen Hurts, and Matt Ryan. There we go. Mac Jones, Kylan Hill, De'Ami Brown, Trey McKitty, Sam Darnold, Zeke Elliott, Jared Goff, and Patrick Peterson. Let's get Justin Fields up here. Got all our quarterbacks up there. We will have a recap at the end, guys. Kenneth Gainwell, Sage Surratt, Jalen Phillips. By Storm, Zach Wilson. Jets keep rolling. Kenny Galladay, Devontae Parker, Emmanuel Sanders, TJ Watt. Last pack of the blasters, and I think this has a mem card in it. Yes, it does. Chris Evans, Ian Book. All right. Kyle Trask on the rookie force patch. Congrats to the Bucks. Nice hit. If Tom Brady ever retires, maybe he gets to play. Jason Kelsey, Dalvin Cook, Daniel Jones, Tua, and Josh Allen. And then we got 2 Kid Reporter cards in the back. How nice. Because one's not enough. Producers over here saying bad words. It's alright, man. Get it together. Yeah. They were a little sticky. Alright, mega box time. These are fun. Should have 4 packs. All right, guys. Good luck. Hopefully we hit a decent auto and a cool mem card. Joe Burrow, AJ Brown, Randall Cobb, Kyler Murray, red parallel DeAndre Swift, red parallel Anthony Schwartz, and we have Larry Browntree, Trey Sermon, Tommy Tremble, and Amir Smith-Marset. Josh Jacobs, Janu Smith, DK Metcalf. Looks like our mem card's in here. There we go. Najee Harris, he's been everywhere in this break. Got a rookie force patch. Congrats, Steelers. Nice cool card there. We have a red Alvin Kamara. David Bakhtiari. Jarrett Patterson. AO. Rashad Bateman. And Demetric Felton. Justin Herbert, Lamar Jackson, Chris Carson, Baker Mayfield, got a red Cam Newton, a red Brevin Jordan, rookie, Christian Barmore, Elijah Moore, Brevin Jordan, and Anthony Schwartz. So, didn't plan it this way, but hopefully our auto's in this last pack. Matt Stafford, DJ Chark, Chase Young, got a backwards card, Javon Holland, going out to the Dolphins. Good looking auto, but not the Dolphin we would like to hit, but congrats to the Dolphins. CeeDee Lamb on the red. Josh Allen, stargazing. Got some rookies, Shi Smith, Patrick Surtain. Cool, another T-Law. And that one looks much better. And Kadarius Toney to the Giants, rounding us out. All right, give us a second. We'll recap. Then we'll move on. Get these suckers packaged up. All right, how many patches did we have? 3. All right. So patch cards, we had Elijah Moore to the Jets, Najee Harris to the Steelers, and Kyle Trask to the Bucks. With this Kyle Long numbered prism out of 99 to the Chiefs, the Dolphins, Jalen Waddle by Storm, and then Javon Holland auto. Najee Harris, we had 3 of those. One was the green variety. So 2 base, and then 1 green. Micah Parsons, saw him once. And then our quarterbacks. Saw Justin Fields, Trey Lance ×2, Zach Wilson 2 base, and then 1 insert by Storm. Trevor Lawrence 2 base, 1 with the ding corner. And then Mac Jones, we saw the introductions and the base rookie. So guys, thanks for joining us. Thanks for participating. We will get these in the mail in the next couple days. And please like us and follow us on Facebook. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.